Well, I thought we'd mix it up a bit today and come to a place we used to come every weekend for fish. And that's at Kenmore, about 10 minutes from where I live. So let's go there. I've already been spotted. How you doing?
How you doing?
Alright. Long time no see.
Yeah.
I'm alright, how are you? I saw your thing on Instagram doing your dance.
Oh yeah?
Very nice.
Yeah.
Hey. Alright. Cool. So what's news?
Yeah. Same old, mate. Still working for a living. Trying to win the lotto.
Yeah.
Can't do it.
Well, I won $8.
Did you really?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Hard.
Wow. I got like 22 last week.
It's not even enough for a piece of fish.
Not even these days. No, absolutely not. I've got to do some.
There we go. It's a nice sunny day. I'll go to the loo before I eat. I'll check out Aldi later. I'll have a look through. They sell sushi near the toilets as well. Not that you're meant to eat sushi in the toilet, but the sushi place is near the toilet. Let's get back for the fish. Of course, just as I was about to film, the shot gets blocked, but you often see interesting cars around here. There's a E-Type Jag. Anyway, oh, there we go. Looking good. Sweet lip cod. Sweet lip cod. And what did you get? Cod?
Barramundi.
It was the lady's first day out after a week of being sick. So that's barramundi, sweet lip cod. Let's get into it. Very messy when you're trying to eat and got fish all over your hands, but it's quite tasty. This is sweet lip. How's yours?
Lovely.
Very good. Seal of approval. It's just some cod. Hot. But also nice. Very solid chunky bits. This is good. That's what you want. Because the scenery is always better around here too. It always has been, if you know what I mean. Anyway, we'll take you to have a look in Aldi. But if you refer back to the first of my daily vlogs and the reasons I'm sort of doing this, I'll take you there tomorrow. So tune in then.